You're dumb if you don't answer these questions I'm about to throw at you. Let's begin.
Who do you think has bigger feet? Brr brr potapim or Trick Track Baraboom? Pick your team. Are you joining the army of Spijuniro Golubiro or Bombombini Gusini? Which one is actually taller than you'd guess? Ta 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 Sahur or Frigo Camelo? Be honest. Who would you rather go on a date with? Ballerina Cappuccina or Espressona Signora? And last question. Which is the ultimate cactus? Il cacto hippopotamo or Lirali Larala? Like and subscribe to World of Quiz for more fun, weird, and totally random content.